Sweta, have any recent Vogue wedding features or high-profile celebrity editorials influenced the kind of collections your studio wants to stock or showcase?
Absolutely. Celebrity weddings often set the tone for bridal trends. For instance, in India, Radhika Merchant's wedding to Anant Ambani was a masterclass in grandeur and tradition. Her skirt, designed by Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla, featured intricate bullion embroidery and personalized elements like the AR brooch, symbolizing her and Anant's initials. Such attention to detail and personalization has inspired us to incorporate more bespoke elements into our collections, allowing brides to infuse their personal touch and emotions into their bridal ensemble. Similarly, the minimalism and elegance showcased by Meghan Markle's Givenchy gown continues to influence brides looking for understated sophistication. These high-profile weddings emphasize the importance of aligning our designs with evolving bridal trends and aspirations.
With the old money wedding aesthetic trending, are you seeing a greater interest in minimalist couture and quiet luxury silhouettes from your buyers or clients?
Indeed, the old money aesthetic, characterized by timeless elegance and understated luxury, has seen an increase in demand. Brides are moving towards clean lines, luxurious fabrics, and subtle embellishments that read sophistication. This shift aligns with the broader, quiet luxury trend, where the focus is on quality and craftsmanship. Our recent collections emphasizes these elements, offering gowns that resonate with the bride seeking classic yet contemporary styles.
Do you ever tailor neckline or back design details to accommodate popular bridal hairstyles? Like bobs, natural curls, or Hollywood waves that boutique stylists are seeing in demand?
Certainly, hairstyles play a pivotal role in the overall bridal look, and we consider them during the design process. For brides opting for Hollywood waves, we often design gowns with off-shoulder or sweetheart necklines to complement the romantic feel of the hairstyle. Those with natural curls might prefer gowns with open backs or intricate detailing that showcase their hair's texture and volume. The resurgence of bob has also influenced us to create gowns with higher necklines or statement collars that frame the face beautifully. By coordinating gown designs with popular hairstyles, we ensure a balanced and flattering bridal ensemble.
Thank you, Sweta, for sharing these insights into how celebrity influences and evolving trends shape bridal fashion.